In this video, I will explain and show you how to assign us at Anthem access to your account without using your username and password, which is not preferable. It does violate, in many cases, user terms of conditions of use of the site, whether it be Wix, GoDaddy, Facebook. So we don't want to do it that way. So this video explains how to properly do it that stays within the terms of use, and also helps prevent any issues that we might have. If we're talking social media, then what happens typically in social media, and as you say, see, I logged in and then I'm picking the site that I want to give access to Anthem in my example here. But when we're talking about social media, they do track who logs in from where. Other programs are getting more sophisticated in doing the same. So that becomes problematic because then we do password resets, and those types of things end up being the norm. If we're in Florida and you're in Arkansas, California, Texas, they're going to kind of flag that. They'll see that activity as being abnormal if we're logging in as you. So they don't want you to do that. And generally speaking, they create mechanisms so we can avoid that. So as I just did, I logged in, I picked the site, go to settings, roles and permissions. You're going to come in here. You'll see there are other people already there. I'm going to invite, and who I want you to invite is this email address, marketing@anthemsoftware.com. So add marketing, come in here, add us as a website manager, only these roles that I'm mentioning here. In the case that I'm able to display for you right now, I only have certain roles in which I can assign to another person, i.e. marketing, because I already had logged in as the client and assigned myself a role in their Wix account. I excluded billing and purchasing ability already, so that obviously in this case, as I'm logged in as me, I already do not have that ability for myself. I certainly can't also extend that to anyone else. So what I'm explaining are only the things that I want you to do. Anything else that might be in your dashboard that you don't see on mine, we also do not need. So we need Website Manager. It automatically checks those boxes. It automatically, as you see, checks for you the store role, store manager, blog writer. We do need domain, we need marketing, and we need customer relations. All of these are relevant for various reasons. Obviously, website if we're going to make any edits and changes. Domain manager if we're going to be moving you off of Wix, or even if we're keeping you on Wix, there will be DNS edits that we'll need to do to increase email deliverability. Obviously, the marketing manager allows us to see your contacts and those types of things and create forms under the customer relations manager. So the ones you should have to actually click are Website Manager, Domain Manager, Marketing Manager, Customer Relations Manager. These other 5 you see kind of auto check, but if Website Designer, Back Office Manager, Store Manager, Blog Editor, and Writer are not here, please be sure to check those as well. Anything beyond that to do with billing or purchasing, we will not need. Thank you very much.